For years, the digital marketing echo chamber has been declaring the death of link building. They tell you content is king. They tell you that AI search changes everything, and that Google simply doesn't care about backlinks anymore. But when you strip away the hot takes and actually examine the hard data from 2025 and 2026, a radically different story emerges. It is a story that every serious SEO professional and business owner needs to understand before spending a single dollar on their budget this year. Let's cut through the noise immediately. We have looked at the analysis of over 11.8 million Google search results, surveys of over 500 SEO experts, and financial data from 14 billion index pages. The verdict: link building is not only alive, it is experiencing a massive renaissance driven by quality over quantity. If link building were truly obsolete, we would see declining investment and falling prices. Instead, we see the opposite. 56% of professionals plan to increase their spend in 2026. The average cost of a quality backlink has risen to $508. Yet, nearly 80% of practitioners report satisfying ROI. The market doesn't lie. People are investing because it works. So, what do the numbers actually say? The most striking data point comes from a massive analysis of search results. The page ranking number 1 on Google possesses, on average, 3.8 times more backlinks than the pages in positions 2 through 10, but raw numbers only tell half the story. When we look at referring domains, that is, unique websites linking to you, the gap becomes exponential. Moving from position number 3 to position number 1 isn't a small step. Mathematically, it requires approximately 10 times more referring domain authority. This creates what we call the traffic multiplier effect. Research on 14 billion pages reveals a compounding relationship. Sites with more than 40 referring domains don't just get 4 times the traffic of sites with 10 domains, they get nearly 8 times more traffic. It is non-linear. Backlinks create compounding authority that amplifies every other SEO effort you make. On the flip side, 95% of all pages on the internet have 0 backlinks. And coincidentally, 95.55% of those pages receive 0 traffic from Google. While correlation doesn't prove causation, that overlap is impossible to ignore. Now, you might be asking, what about AI? What about ChatGPT and Google's AI overviews? This is the great paradox of 2026. The rise of AI search has actually made backlinks more important, not less. SEMrush found that almost 50% of organic queries now trigger AI overviews. Here's the critical insight. 75% of the pages cited in those AI answers rank in the top 12 organic results. AI systems can generate fluent text, but they cannot decide on their own which sources are safe truths. They rely on authority signals to decide who to trust. Backlinks act as pre-computed trust scores. However, the spam approach is dead. The data shows a massive quality multiplier. A single backlink from a high-authority, relevant domain is worth more than 14 mediocre links. This explains why link costs are rising. The algorithm has become incredibly sophisticated at identifying and rewarding topical authority while ignoring junk. So, what tactics actually work right now? Based on the latest surveys, the landscape has shifted. If you are still using cheap link farms, private blog networks, or mass comment spam, you are wasting your time. Google's spam brain identifies these patterns instantly. The winner in 2026 is digital PR. For the second consecutive year, digital PR is rated the most effective tactic by nearly half of all professionals. This means creating data-driven stories and pitching them to journalists. It's expensive, but the impact on brand awareness and rankings is unmatched. Guest posting is also still alive, but it has evolved. The old method of writing generic 500-word articles for low-quality sites is dead. Modern guest posting requires strategic placement on niche-relevant publications with genuinely valuable content. We are talking about 2,000-word articles that provide real insight. Let's talk about the economics of this. Link building is not cheap. The market analysis reveals a tiered pricing structure. A mid-range quality link now costs between $150 and $500. Elite digital PR links can range from $1,000 to $2,500 per link. But here is the controversial truth that no one likes to admit: competitors are buying links. In a recent survey of over 500 professionals, 92% admitted that they believe their competitors buy links. While Google officially prohibits this, the line between paid links and investing in content placement has blurred. The key takeaway here is ROI. Despite the high costs, SEO leads close at a rate of nearly 15%. Link building campaigns can deliver massive ROI because the effects are long-term. Unlike ads, where the traffic stops when you stop paying, a high-quality backlink profile compounds over time. To wrap this up, if you want to dominate in 2026, you need a strategy based on the 403-020 rule. Spend 40% of your effort on proven tactics like digital PR. Spend 30% on building real relationships with publishers. And spend 20% on experimental strategies. The data is unambiguous. Backlinks remain a top 3 ranking factor. The correlation between referring domains and rankings is one of the strongest in all of SEO. Those who say link building is dead likely stopped investing in quality years ago and are now wondering why their rankings are dropping. The professionals who understand the shift to quality over quantity are the ones winning the market share. Don't chase volume, chase authority. Build a moat around your business that AI cannot cross. That is how you win in 2026.